morning, my friends on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. I'm Amanda. This is Miss Glamazon, Fab Over 40. Any of us on here that's over 40, we are fabulous girls. Remember, we are effing fabulous. I'm going to try not to swear too much in this video. I'm afraid I might be, having to go to hell for my excessive use of the word fuck. At which point I'm going to rent a car and any of you fuckers that want to come with me, tally-ho. Old joke. Right, we have a handbag unboxing. This is a present I bought for my godchild. She recently turned 18. And of course, I looked after her for her birthday. That was last month. This month is Christmas. So as always, I look after my girls and my little son. But my little girls, I got a beautiful, absolutely beautiful leather little handbag. Now, I can't say it's real leather. I don't know. To be honest with you, I didn't look to see what it's made up of. But I'm not going to tell you how much it cost. But let's just say I got a great deal on it. And I sent a picture of it to her mummy and asked her mummy, my sister, if she thinks the little one would like it. And she said, oh my God, she'd love it. So, tally-ho. Here we go. Little shoulder bag. My little Miss Megan is in college now, and it's always handy to have a nice little bag that you can just carry around with you, put your cell phone in, your purse, and a lip gloss. There you go, Bob's your ankle, Fanny's your aunt, and off you go. So that will be wrapped and prepared for my little angel for her Christmas gift. My little godchild. I love being a godmother. I swear I love my girls, they're so good. And my little son I'm so proud of him. He recently did a wrap. And I'm going to talk about this and I hope my best friend who is his mammy won't mind, but he recently did a rap all about anxiety. He's only just turned, he's 11 years old, and he's the most fabulous little boy you'll ever meet in your life. He's gorgeous. And I just listen to that song and I think, the poor little mite was suffering with anxiety. And it was very brave of him to write that song because I think it was his way of getting it out there. And his mammy helped him out and looked after him, and he talked to his mammy. And I mean, if that little song helps another 11-year-old to come out of their little box and say, Mammy, I'm very anxious, can I have some help? Then he's done the world a favour. He's a very brave little man. I'm very, very proud of him. And there was a little notification up on Facebook. If I can, I'll insert a picture here. Yes, I am a very proud godmother of all of my godchildren. They're precious gifts from God, and I'm very, very proud of him. And I had to say this in a video because I want him to know that I love him to bits, and he is such a brave young man, and he's an inspiration to everybody who knows him, myself included. Now, moving on, I am going to unbox the bag I bought for myself. Do I like it? I'm not sure. I love the shape of it. Let's get that clear first. This is it. It is, of course, pink. Did you all expect any other colour? Now, when this video goes up, it's post-Christmas when this video is up, lads, because I do not want my godchild to see this until she's received her gift. Okay, unboxing my little pink bag. Damn. I'm sorry guys, it's material. No, sorry. Little words, but I would not use it. It's material, it's cheap material. Oh my God. I mean, it's a beautiful colour, don't get me wrong. It's right up my alleyway, but it's cheap material. It's shocking. I wouldn't never, ever, no chance in hell it's going straight back. I wouldn't disrespect my collection by entering it into it. Oh my God, that is horrible. It's horrific. It feels real cheap. No, I'm sorry guys. I'm going down to the post office with that now on my way out to give it back to Little Woods. No, this is a River Island bag as well, but it's their pink little quilted one, but it's not leather. It's real cheap material that will get dirty in like 20 seconds. The minute you use it, it will get dirty. So am I disappointed? I am gutted. I have, however, spotted a handbag on there that is, I might have to reorder. I'm so gutted. Ordered more than one. Style doesn't suit. Poor quality. That's all I can say is poor quality. My opinion. Now, maybe I'm being a fussy bitch in my old age, but I think at 49 years of age, that feels like something you would get. I mean, I know there's nothing wrong with purchasing stuff in, it just feels like something that was thrown together. It's horrific. Not a chance in hell of me using it. No. And no. It's going straight back to them. But it is a nice colour. But no, the material is just the feel. It feels cheap. And up close it looks cheap. Now from a distance the colour is fabulous. But would I go around in a bag that with a bag on my shoulder that looks that, well, it'll be over the crook of my arm that's that cheap feeling. No, lads. Maybe I'm a snob in my old age, but no. That just looks like something you'd give to a child. Seriously, it doesn't look for an adult at all. No wonder it's on sale now. I just saw that it's on sale. Now, I'm not planning on pulling a fast one on Littlewoods and sending it back and ordering another one at the cheaper price. That's not how I roll. I would never do that. Although, come to think of it, that's not a bad fucking idea. But even at sale, it's not, even at sale, looking at the quality of the bag, it's not worth the money, lads. So the pink boxy quilted bag from, it's on Littlewoods from River Ireland, lads. It is simply is not worth the money. I mean, I go out with this, in Irish weather, it'll be destroyed. Absolutely, the first drizzle of rain, it'll be ruined. I thought it was leather. And on the line it says leather outer, but it's not, it's material. It's like cloth, it's like, I don't know, cheap cloth, basically. Anyway, lads, I'm not going to badmouth one bad bag is, you know, at least I can send it back. It'll be worse if I ever stuck with it. Right, lads, I'm going to go. This video will be posted probably on Stephen's Day, I would think, or the day after. But certainly, or even late on Christmas Day. Once I know my godchild has opened her Christmas gift. And then I can safely post this video. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I am disappointed with the bag I ordered for myself. I didn't even bother to fully take it out of the packaging because it feels really cheap, guys, seriously. Anyway, I'm wearing Lead the Way on my lips from Maybelline. It's one of those crayon lip doodaddies. And my eyeshadow is from the, it's from an ABH palette, Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. My winged eyeliner, which I have now perfected, is done with an NYX. It's actually an eyebrow pencil. It has an eyebrow spoolie on one end and a brush on the other. And the brush is fantastic for doing winged eyeliner. I'm able to do it with my gel and I'm able to do it with eyeshadow. So I'm happy out. It comes out pretty good every time. And I'm just wearing one of the eyeshadows out of that palette on my lid and blend it up around, blah, 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 underneath, you know, yourself, the usual. Face makeup is minimum. All I have on there is a little bit of Maybelline concealer under my eyes and brought slightly down. And then I powdered it with my Catrice waterproof powder, just so it wouldn't move. And I've nothing on the lower part of my face or on my forehead. My skin except for my under eye area where I'm trying to cover the bags and the creases. Just under here, I have a little bit of makeup. And I have blended it down and put powder. I have no blush, I have no bronzer, I have no highlighter, no nothing. It is as it is. My eyes are done, my lips are done, and my eyebrows are combed. And that's it, lads, right? Eyebrow dyeing video will probably be up before this one. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you've all watched my couple of get ready with me videos. I'm trying to decide on a look for Christmas. This could be a contender. I quite like orange on my eyes. Right, lads, I'm going to go because I have things to do. I have people to annoy. So love yous and leave yous.